Next problem is find the number of permutation of 4 letters taken from the word examination. So this problem we have to solve. Now solution. Okay, so in this problem given is what? Find the number of permutation of 4 letters taken from the word examination. So in examination, first we have to find out how many letters are there. So we have one E, one X, A we have 2 times, M we have 1 time, I we have 2 times, N we have 2 times, T we have 1 times, and O we have 1 time. Okay, so these are the letters are there in examination. Okay, we want permutation of 4 letters. Okay, so R is what? 4. So in multinomial, in third point we discuss permutation, that we will use here. Okay, so what you will do, from E we can select 0E, so that is one way. So what you like, 1 alpha power 0 divided by 0 factorial. Okay, we can select 1E also, so that is also one way. So what will come, 1 alpha power 1 divided by 1 factorial. Okay, only we have 1E. Same thing for X also will come, same thing for M also will come, same thing for T also will come, and same thing for O will come. So what will come, here we will get 5 power. Okay, into. Same thing for A also will come. Okay, suppose from A we are selecting 0A, that is one way. So what will it, 1 alpha power 0 divided by 0 factorial. Okay, plus from 2A, suppose you are selecting 1A, that is also one way. So what will come, 1 alpha power 1 divided by 1 factorial, plus now we are selecting 2A, that is also one way. So what will come, 1 alpha power 2 divided by 2 factorial. Okay, so only we have 2A. Same thing for I also will come, same thing for N also will come. So here what will come, Q will come. Okay, and we want permutation of 4 letters. So R is what, 4. So here we have to multiply here 4 factorial. Okay, so we want permutation of 4 letters. So in this equation we have to find out coefficient of alpha power 4. Okay, so total number of permutation is what, coefficient of alpha power 4 in this equation. So what will come, this is 1 plus this is nothing but alpha, so 1 plus alpha to the power 5 into this one is what, 1, this one is what, alpha. Okay, and this is alpha squared, 2 factorial is what, 2. So what will come, alpha squared divided by 2 to the whole power 3 into 4 factorial. And here we want coefficient of alpha power 5, alpha power 4. So we have to find out coefficient of alpha power 4 in this equation. So what we will do, we want coefficient of alpha power 4. Okay, so this one is as it is. So what will come, 1 plus alpha to the power 5. Okay, here we will use binomial. Okay, so using binomial you will expand this one. So this one is what, first term, and this one is second term. So what will come, 3C0. First term is what, 1 plus alpha to the power what will come, 3 plus 3C1. First term is what, 1 plus alpha to the power 2, and second term is what, alpha square by 2 plus 3C2, 1 plus alpha to the power 1, and second term is what, alpha square divided by 2 to the whole square, plus last term is what, 3C3. First term power is what, 0, second term is what, alpha square divided by 2 to the whole cube in bracket into 4 factorial. Okay, so this will come. Now what you will do, you have to find out coefficient of alpha power 4. Okay, this we are multiplying inside. So what will come, 3C0 is what, 1, and this will come what, 1 plus alpha to the power 3, and this is what, 1 plus alpha to the power 5. So what will come, 1 plus alpha to the power 8 plus 3C1 is what, 3. Okay, if you multiply this one inside, so what will come, 1 plus alpha to the power 7, and this one is what, alpha square divided by 2. Okay, plus 3C2. 3C2 is what, 3. Okay, if you multiply this one inside, so what will come, 1 plus alpha to the power 6, and alpha square divided by 2 whole square. So this will come what, alpha power 4 divided by 4 plus 3C0 is what, 1. Okay, and if you multiply this one inside, so what will come, 1 plus alpha power 5, and alpha square divided by 2 whole cube. So this will come what, alpha power 6 divided by 2 power 3 is what, 8. divided by 8 in bracket 4 factorial. Okay, so we want coefficient of alpha power 4 in this equation. So what we will do, we want coefficient of alpha power 4. Okay, so coefficient of alpha power in this equation is nothing but what, 8c4 alpha power 4. Okay, so 8c4 is what, coefficient of alpha power 4 plus, okay, in bracket we are taking 3. Okay, here we have alpha square, that means from this term we want alpha square, because total we want alpha power 4. So already we have alpha square, that means from this term we want alpha square. So what will come, this is 3 by 2, and here we want alpha square. So what will come, 7c2 alpha square, and this is already there, alpha square, plus this is what, 3 by 4. Okay, and here we have alpha power 4, that means from the here we want alpha power 0. Okay, so that will come what, 6c0 alpha power 0, and this one alpha power 4 plus, and here we have alpha power 6. So here alpha power 4 is not possible. So here what will come, 0 into 4 factorial. Okay, so what is coefficient of alpha power 4? That is coefficient of alpha power 4 equal to, here what will come, 8c4 plus, here what will come, 3c2 3 by 2 into 7c2. Okay, plus 3 by 4, and 6c0 is what, 1. Okay, and this is alpha power 4 into 4 factorial. Okay, so this is your coefficient of alpha power 4 is what, this one. Now we have to simplify this one. Now we are discussing method 2. According to method 2, first what we will do, first we will find out how many letters are there. Okay, so in examination we have 1e, 1x, a we have 2 times, n we have 1 time, I we have 2 times, n we have 2 times, t we have 1 time, o we have 1 time. Okay, so these many letters are there. We want permutation of 4 letters. Okay, so here we will make cases. Okay, so first case is case 1. All 4 letters are different. Okay, all 4 letters are different. Okay, so in this one, how many different letters are there? Okay, so E, M, X, T, O. Okay, out of 2A we have to take 1A because we want different letters. Okay, out of 2I we are taking 1I. Okay, and out of 2N we are taking 1N. Okay, if you check this one, all letters are different or not? Okay, so here all letters are different. Okay, we want permutation of 4 letters. Okay, so what we will do, out of 8 distinct letters we have to select 4 letters, so that is 8C4. So we have to do combination. Now we got 4 letters. Okay, now we have to do permutation of 4 letters, that is 4 factorial, because we have all distinct letters. Okay, so 8C4 into 4 factorial. Now we'll do second case. Okay, case 2 is what, 2 same and 2 different. Okay, second case is what, 2 same and 2 different. So first we have to find out which category will give 2 same. Okay, either A or I or N. Okay, so from A we can take 2A, from I we can take 2I, and from N also we can take 2N. So we have 3 categories that will give us 2 same. Okay, so out of 3 categories we have to select one category, that is 3C1. Okay, suppose you are selecting A. So from A we are taking 2A, that is one way. So we are taking 2A. Okay, how many ways? That is one way. So we got 2A. Now we want 2 different. Okay, now other than A, how many different letters are there? Okay, so other than A, we have E, X, M, T, O. Okay, so we got 2A and these letters, and we can take one I. Okay, and we can take one N. Now here you can see we are taking 2A, and out of these letters we have to take 2 different letters. Okay, if we are taking 2I, then here will come what, A will come. If we take 2N here, then here will come A. Okay, so this will come. Okay, so A and this one all are different or not? So from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, out of 7 letters we have to select 2 letters, so that is 7C2. Okay, Now we got 4 letters. Out of 4 letters, we got 2 same and 2 different. Okay, so arrangement of 4 letters is what? 4 factorial. Okay, out of 4 letters, we have 2 letters same. Okay, so arrangement of 2 letters is what? 2 factorial. Okay, so we have to divide here 2 factorial. So what will come here? 3c1 into 7c2 into 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial. So what will come? 3c1 into 7c2 into 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Okay, now we are doing case 3. Okay, case 3. Okay, here what we are doing? 2 same of one type and 2 same of other type. Okay, so we want 2 same of one type and 2 same of other type. Okay, that means from E we can't take 2 same. Okay, so this we have to neglect. Correct, because we want 2 same of one type and 2 same of other type. Okay, so we know that 2 same we can get either from A or I or N. Okay, so what we can do? We can take one A and I. So from A we can take 2A and from I also we can take 2I. Okay, and similarly we can take 2A and 2N. Okay, similarly we can take 2I and 2N. Okay, so we have 3 categories. Okay, we want 2 same and 2 same. So out of 3 categories we have to select 2 categories. So what will come? 3C2. Out of 3 categories we are selecting 2 categories. Suppose you are selecting A and I. Okay, so from A you have to take 2A. Okay, and from I you are taking 2I. Okay, so we are selecting 2 categories. You are selecting A and I. So from A you have to take 2A and from I also you have to take 2I. Okay, so selection of A and I is what? One way. Correct. Now we got 2A and 2I. So we got 4 letters. Out of 4 letters, 2 letters are same and 2 letters are same. Okay, so what you do? Permutation. So what will come? 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial, because we have 2A same and 2I same. So what will come? 3C2 into 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 2 factorial. Okay, so only these 3 cases is possible. So what we will do? Case 1 plus case 2 plus case 3. Okay, so if you add these 3 cases, we will get the final answer.